Snoopy's Racing Railway is now open at Carowinds. Come take a ride with us on this new ART Engineering family launch coaster. We're going to be doing 2 laps on this 804-foot long track, reaching a top speed of 31 miles an hour. Kids only have to be 36 inches tall to ride on Snoopy's Racing Railway, but if you're over 60 inches tall, you do need to have a child with you in order to ride. This is part of a new Camp Snoopy expansion at Carowinds, and this coaster is a copy of one that appeared at Canada's Wonderland just a couple years ago. Again, that's Snoopy's Racing Railway at Carowinds. For more theme park news, check us out on themeparkinsider.com.